Okay, to install your M.2 drive, first do a test measurement. You put it into the little socket here at a 45-degree angle. Make sure the lands disappear into the socket. Push it down and make sure that the stud at this end is in the right location. You can move those studs to other locations if you need to. So once you have it, take your screw that holds the M.2 that comes with the motherboard, hold it with a magnetic screwdriver and screw it in. Don't make it over tight. Now some motherboards come with a heatsink, especially in the lower M.2 position. If yours doesn't, I suggest you go ahead and get yourself an add-on. This costs about $12 and it comes with a little screwdriver and some thermal pads, which are really great.